everyone. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to stream Netflix on Discord. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, just have to launch your Discord application. And then you just have to look for your server. So let me tap my server here. Okay, and then what you're going to do is to simply go to General. When you tap this, you will see below that there are options like video camera, screen share, and so on. So as you can see, if you're going to tap the screen share, you can simply and obviously share whatever appears on your screen. So to do that or to stream your Netflix on Discord, all you have to do is to simply open your Google Chrome. So let me show that to you. Open your Google Chrome and then log in your Netflix account. Or you can just simply watch a movie if you want. You can simply look or select a movie or a series or whatever you want to appear on your Discord. So this is what it looks like. Now, if I go back there and share my screen again, okay, so let me access one first and then go to share screen and then tap Google and go live. You will see that I'm currently streaming my Netflix account. So that's how easy it is. Now, if you can't see that here, then you can go to your settings, go to register games, and then kindly add Google Chrome here. Okay? Or you can add your Netflix if you want to. But since I'm using Google Chrome, so I have to add Google Chrome here, and then whatever appears or whatever activity I do on my Google Chrome, then probably it will appear on my Discord. Like showing you my Netflix account. As easy as that.
So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.